You're in for a treat today, you guys. We are currently in my primary bathroom, and today is the day I am upgrading my toilet. Yes, you heard it. You know, the toilets are often one of those appliances that are in the bathroom that is totally neglected, right? Well, when I first bought this house, there was already an electrical outlet there, and I was so excited because I was like, you know what, finally, you guys, this is the year. This is the time that I'm going to upgrade my toilet. So today, I am so excited to be introducing a brand new smart toilet that I've had my eye on. It is a HOROW X70 toilet. Thank you, HOROW, for sponsoring today's video. After we moved in and life happens, I mean, I just never thought about that toilet again. It was just functional. Nowhere near spa-like, and nowhere near the automations that I desire for a smart home. Clients are always asking me to design bathrooms that feel like a complete spa sanctuary. We're talking about radiant heated floors, towel warmers, statement basins, ambient lighting, and smart toilets are no longer this like futuristic concept. They're actually becoming a new standard in modern bathroom designs, and I'm totally here for it. You know, in Japan, every single public bathroom has a bidet or a smart toilet. It's less about mind blown and more about like cultural differences, right? Japanese is all about sanitation, cleanliness, and at the same time, we want a completely automated, eco-conscious appliance for us to invest in and install in our homes. Now, Americans, on the other hand, are all about aesthetics, okay? Of course, I'm an interior designer. Aesthetics are a huge driving factor for me, but only after function. So today's review, like many of my other reviews, is always driven by function. Functionality, okay? If you're gonna put this in your home, how's it gonna make your life better? Number two, ease of maintenance. You know your girl hates to clean. I mean, I love to clean with the right products, the right tools, but I don't want to spend all day cleaning, you guys. And number three, ease of use, okay? I've been to restaurants where they have this bidet, smart toilet, smart features, and there's so many bells and whistles in it, I can't even flush the toilet. I literally had to go to the toilet and look for a manual flush, and that is just not the business these days.